It's the earnings rundown for the week of February 10th, and this week was complicated. If you were just checking the headlines this week, you would think the apocalypse had arrived, as stocks for some of the biggest players tanked. But here's the thing, these price moves weren't about weakness in the ad market. These drops came down to company-specific missteps. Some crushed earnings, but still got punished, while others straight up missed the mark. Let's start with Reddit. The community platform posted an eye-popping 71% revenue growth in Q4. Ad sales surged 60% and net income quadrupled. Brands are leaning into Reddit's mid and lower funnel ads, but the stock still dropped 18% post-earnings. Why? A miss on user growth. Google's latest search algorithm update briefly impacted traffic, and investors took notice. It was a classic case of good earnings, bad stock reaction. Then there's the trade desk. 24% revenue growth sounds solid, but for the first time ever, it missed Wall Street expectations. That sent the stock plummeting 27% as investors started questioning its sky-high valuation. The real problem? Ad spend hesitancy. CTV and retail media grew, but programmatic slowed as consumer tech, retail, and entertainment advertisers scrutinized budgets. Google's privacy sandbox rollout also added uncertainty, making some brands hit the pause button on big digital ad buys. But even with the stock drop, the Trade Desk remains a leader in CTV and retail media, but it now faces pressure to prove its AI-driven ad targeting and partnerships can offset slowing programmatic demand. On the Holdco side, IPG had a tough quarter. Revenue missed expectations, down 1.8% organically, as past accounts losses weighed on results. The US and European markets were soft, and healthcare and media segments faced pullbacks. To stabilize, IPG is rolling out a $250 million restructuring plan while preparing for its $13 billion merger with Omnicom. The merger could create efficiencies and scale, but for now, IPG remains under pressure from competitive client shifts and account losses. Bottom line, the stock drops weren't about an ad market problem, they were about execution. Reddit crushed earnings, but stumbled on user growth. The Trade Desk took a valuation gut check after its first ever earnings miss, and IPG's competitive pressures weighed it down. This week showed that in a shifting ad landscape, expectations are high, the margin for error is slim, and the market's not giving out any free passes.